Hello guys and welcome to our channel. In this video I will show you how to do the in 2022 I will TikTok trend TikTok effect, so keep on watching. First of all, we have to click on the search icon from the bottom of the screen, the discover icon, and here you have to search in 2022 I will, and from here you have to go to effects. And you can add this to favorites if you like and click on try this effect. And the sound would be added automatically with Britney Spears Toxic, but my sound right now it's muted because I don't want to get copyrighted on YouTube. So once you're happy with your pose and everything, you just have to click on the record button and let's see what will you become in 2022. And now the sound is playing. Be hungry. Oh no. So yeah guys, that's it. Click on the check mark from the right bottom corner once you are happy with it. Click next and post it with your friends on TikTok. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can like this video and you can also subscribe to our channel. And if you have some questions, you can go ahead and ask them in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.